We gotta try this out, boys. We gotta try this out. No windshield. Let's give it a run. Welcome back, 73 fans. It's Red's Garage. How you guys been? Been good? We finally are getting the truck ready to daily drive. So the first thing we did was take it to a body shop to fix the rust, because you don't want the rust to get worse than it is right now. I thought the truck didn't have much rust. I only thought it was the roof that had a few holes in it, and the kick panel, and a few small patches here and there on the bed. But the guy from the body shop called me and he said we have bigger rust than we thought. So right now I'm heading over there to see. Meanwhile, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna talk to you and say what are my plans with the truck. Whoa, look at the traffic. That's insane. I'm gonna go over my plans with the truck. As of right now, I sold my little car, my little daily driver. That was really good to me for a year, but I sold it because I don't need it anymore, and I'm using the funds to fix my truck. So step one, fixing rust. I removed the windshield. The windshield frame is really nice, really decent, no issues there. The roof has about 10 holes, I think, didn't even count them, and it's supposed to be a small spot on the fender and the kick panel, you know, down there by your legs. But the guy at the body shop called me back and he said, come look, we have more rust than we thought. So that's where I'm going right now. After we fix the rust, I wanna get a new exhaust system set up. I don't want the hood stack anymore. It's a bit too loud in the cab for talking to your passengers, or you can't drive with the windows down because you get all the smoke inside, and that's not healthy for you. Especially when my smaller daughter is gonna be riding with me. When it's a fun truck, race truck, a hood stack is fun, but daily driving, if you're 18 to 25, it's fun. If you're over 30 and you need a daily driver, you don't want a hood stack, fellas. So I'm gonna make a new exhaust setup also. Be pending for that. I'm gonna do something new. I'm gonna try something new. Maybe you guys will like it, maybe you won't, but maybe I won't like it, but we're gonna try it anyway. Okay, boys, we're here at the body shop. Let's go inside and see what's going on with my truck. Apparently there's more rust than we thought. The floorboards, or the side of the floorboards, are starting to rust really bad. There's a few holes in there, so we're gonna address those issues too. It was a little more work, a little more labor, a little more money than I anticipated, but it's okay. It's still in budget and we're gonna make it happen. My plan is to fix all the rust of the truck, not paint it yet, and make a new exhaust and start daily driving this baby. So stay tuned and see how the progression on the truck goes, boys. Thank you very much and have a nice day.